Hi, it's Kate from Katie Did. We are at the Forsyth Bridge again. We're going to check out some rocks and enjoy the beautiful fall afternoon. It's okay, it's almost winter, the almost winter afternoon. So come along with me and let's see what we can find. So we've been to this fishing access before. You may recognize it from some of the other filming. But you know, as the weather changes, as the light changes, there's always going to be something a little different to find. And frankly, it's convenient and close to where I need to be, and I was feeling like I really needed to get some agating in. Agating. Is that a name? A word? I don't think it is. So you can see a big part of this is in kind of blue shadow, and then the sun suddenly comes out, and you can see how much easier it is. How much easier it is to spot rocks when the sun is shining, even if they're covered with a little layer of silt, even if there's, you know, even if it's something that isn't super easy to spot. If the sun is shining, it still makes it at least twice as easy. Not only that, it makes you feel happy. Well, my guess is that's kind of milky. I'm going to wash it off though, just in case, because sometimes they trick me. Aha! Okay, this is a perfect example. This is one of the things you find often on the beach that has the same look and shape. You can see it's got kind of the snaky skin and the kind of lumpy bumpy texture, and so I pick them up just like all the time. And on the other side you'll see that it has black and then this little brown stuff, and I think the brown stuff is feldspar and the black is basalt. It was formed the same way as an agate was, just not nearly as lucky. Not really sure about this one, but it is shining, so I'm gonna pick it up and see. Oh, it's just plain old nothing. Sad. How about this one? Plain old nothing. Sad. This is a very soft stone, not something that I would mess with as far as cutting or anything, but look at how pretty those colors are. Have I found a deer bone? This is cool. Not cool like I'm gonna pick this up and take it home cool, but take a look at this. This little pebble is inset right on this rock. It's like right in a piece of it, and things like this tell the story of the rock. It tells about when it was in a molten state, and then another stone that was already set, that was already hardened, kind of made its way into the molten state, and then the molten state hardened, and now there's two stones forever together, at least until they're turned into sand again. Hashtag rock cycle. Oh, that is nice. Jasper agate.
I love the reds in there.
Oh, what did I do with it? Where did it go? There was an agate here. I know there was. I lost it. Oh, Oh man, this is so pretty.
The composition there is just fantastic.
Nice. Okay, that one's a keeper. Let's see what else we have here. Petrified wood. Okay, here's another one. I don't know if this is anything at all, but we're gonna see. Huh. Not really anything, but wow, look at those cool colors. See, it's got kind of like, this is sort of limestone, I think, on this side here. And then over here, it comes into this jasper looking agate, not really quite thing. And it's just on the top there. So obviously something formed, and then this was formed in the bubble, and then it didn't fill with any more silica, and then limestone came in the top of it. That is really neat. You know, I love trying to figure out the stories behind how the rocks were formed. And that one was quite a story. I have a few more things that I'm going to wash off and show to you. We already saw a nice picture of this one, but I thought you might like to see it in the sunshine and wet. This is just such a cool rock. I'm not even going to cut this one, I'm just going to keep it the way it is. That's just me.
That's a regular agate.
And finally, this little guy, who I think might be kind of milky, but I wanted to wash off anyway. Oh, yeah, look at that. It's got like, it's got stripes of clear, but then there's all kinds of minerals that are colored here. That's neat. Oops, you can't even see it. Stripes that are clear, and then all kinds of minerals that are colored. Yeah, I have a lot of, gee, that's pretty rocks, I'm trying to cut down. I see the moon up over my head. It's full and it's round and it shines on my bed. And I think that someday I'll be coming home soon. I don't remember the rest of the song. Here's another example of when the rocks were molten and liquid and forming, and harder rocks got stuck inside less hard rocks, and then less hard rocks hardened, and now we have just one rock with cool stuff in it. Here's other cool stuff to look at. Check out the texture on this log. Look at that. That's just amazing. This bark just has gotten to be all broken up. See here. Nice. And it's not a clear agate, but it appears to have some banding in it. Appears to have some waterline maybe. And I'll bet that it's probably, whoops, where did it go? Where are you? I'll bet that it's probably very pretty. This is Kate from Katie Did. Keep on doing.